Hey guys, Sam Sansalone here, samsansalone.com and Wainwright Real Estate. I'm doing a video today because I've had a lot of questions recently from clients talking about water damage and how that affects insurance claims and if they should be reported. And so I wanted to tell you some things I know, and after doing a lot more research, have found out that I think will help you and are not very well known, as I've come to discover. And well, the main thing is there's something called a CLUE report. What is a CLUE report? A CLUE report is the Comprehensive Loss Underwriting Exchange. That's basically a report that's like a credit report, but for your insurance, your home insurance and your auto insurance. So whenever you make a claim on your insurance, it gets reported in that report. So basically when when you go in and get a future quote for insurance, that report is used in conjunction with your credit history and a few other things to decide if and how much to give you a quote for. So if you make a quote or a claim, that gets recorded in that report. Well, I called the state this morning, the insurance corporation, and asked about CLUE. And it was funny because I had to talk to 3 people before someone knew what I was talking about. It's not a very well-known report, but it makes a big difference in terms of future insurance numbers. So basically what happens is, in the insurance world, there are 2 types of claims, or two categories, for instance. One is a claim and one is an inquiry. An inquiry is when you make a phone call and check on something. You know, you're just trying to find out what an insurance company will do, or in the situation if your situation's covered or whatever. Well, a claim is when you actually make a claim on your insurance policy. Well, some people will make calls to insurance companies to just check and see what is going on, but they don't realize that the insurance agent will still report that inquiry, and it could be still turned into a claim. So you might think you're just making a phone call, but in actuality it turns into much more than that, and the insurance company will still use that against you for future quotes. And after 2 or 3 claims, insurance companies can start declining insurance, and you have to go find more different insurance. So just be careful is the key here. And so, long story short, if you have a situation with water damage in your house, don't just call the insurance company and just assume that, oh, I'm not making a claim, well, they won't record it. Well, they can, and depending on your insurance agent, you might or might not get that turned into a claim from a inquiry. So just don't think that they're just listening and not paying any mind to it. So my point is, make sure you have an insurance agent that you trust, that you can just ask questions to get good information from, and just make sure that when you talk to the insurance company, that you're not just saying, oh, I had this problem, I need to decide what to do about it. Just get information. Don't just make it sound so obvious that there's a big problem when in actuality there might not be. So don't make it apparent to them that there is, because they're going to probably turn that into a claim, and it will be used against you even if you don't use an insurance claim and get money for it. So just be careful. Be careful about who you use as your insurance agent, and you should be fine. But just know that in Virginia, they can use those inquiries that aren't claims against you. So just make sure you get as much information as possible before talking to an insurance company about your situation, so you can know the best options moving forward. So if you think this has been helpful, or anything of the sort, please make a comment on the bottom of the video. Tag someone that might also be able to use this information to help. I really want to help people with this. My name is Sam Sansalone. You can find me on samsansalone.com. My cell phone is 757-971-2295. And if you have any more questions about CLUE or any of the other things insurance related, even though I'm a real estate agent, not an insurance agent, I still can help guide you in the right direction. So thanks for your time. I hope you have a great day.